In this video, I'll show you how to pay cash on delivery, COD, on Amazon, so you can shop confidently without needing to pay upfront. Step 1. Add items to your cart. Browse Amazon and add your desired items to your shopping cart. Step 2. Proceed to checkout. Click on your cart and select Proceed to checkout. Step 3. Enter your delivery address. Provide your complete delivery address, ensuring it's accurate for successful delivery. Step 4. Choose Pay on Delivery as payment method. On the payment page, select Pay on Delivery or Cash on Delivery as your payment option. Step 5. Confirm your order. Review your order details and click Place your order to confirm. Important notes. Cash on delivery is available only for eligible products and locations. Some orders may require mobile number verification via a one-time password, OTP. Ensure you have the exact cash amount ready at the time of delivery. In some regions, Amazon may charge a small handling fee for COD orders. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Amazon shopping tips and tutorials.